Ash and this is Lockie. For the past 3.5 years, we've lived out of our tiny home to explore Europe. We packed up our lives in Australia to experience new places and do new things. After 3 years, one pandemic and thousands of kilometres later, we make it to Montenegro. Join us and subscribe to our channel as we explore Montenegro together. So we've just got to the border to cross into Montenegro from Albania, and there is a lot of traffic at the border, which I wasn't really expecting, but there's also a family there, and the little girl was just tapping on the window trying to beg for money. It's pretty sad, but yeah, very chaotic here. Thoughts?
Very chaotic.
So we've just crossed into Albania. Into Montenegro from Albania, and that was the weirdest border crossing ever. Like, there was so much traffic and chaos, and we had our passports and everything out ready, and as soon as we got to the window, like, they write down your number plate, and then we got to the window to hand our passports, and he just asked how many persons, and we said 2, and then he said, okay, you can go, and didn't even look at our passports, and we just drove through the border. It was so strange. But anyway, we're in Montenegro, so cool. We are now in Montenegro, and we are in Budva, I think is how you say it in English. And it is pretty nice so far. First impressions of Montenegro, very nice. So our first night in Montenegro, we are parked in the town of Sveti Stefan, I think it's called. And the sun is going to set soon, so we're just going to have a drink by the river.
Hard life here.
We have now driven to Budva, and we are going to visit this new city and then also the old city, which is called Stari Grad.
in Montenegro to a canyon called Budva or something. I'm not really sure, and if that's even close. But yeah, you know, we'll put the title below. That's where we're heading. I'm not sure on the difficulty of it because we struggle to find information, but we shall see. This is the first bridge of our hike. Very beautiful. Very clear water below. Very beautiful spot we made. So we're just coming inside the canyon. We're actually walking in the canyon. And this is where the Yugoslavian army actually blasted out a path during the war. Pretty crazy. So the path follows the canyon. It's been dug out all the way, as you can see. Pretty crazy. They were all blasted during the war. Nuts.
So this is Mindri Shehotin viewpoint. I don't think that is how you say it, but it is stunning. This morning we have driven to the Durmitor National Park. So we've just gotten to Tara Canyon and we're going to walk over the bridge to check out the view from it. Tara Canyon is actually the second largest canyon in the world after the Grand Canyon. So at this point I think it's 170 meters down, but at one point in the canyon it does get down to 1,330 meters, I think. We've now driven to another viewpoint of the canyon, so hopefully we can get a better look at it after the bit of epic fail with that hike. So we'll see. It's a short hike, it says, from the car park, so we're walking up now. Tonight we are parked up not too far from Black Lake, and it is pretty. This morning we are off hiking to Bobotovkuk. I think that's how you say it. Up there somewhere, not too sure, but it is a beautiful morning in the mountains. So we started this hike from Sedlo Pass in the Durmitor National Park, and it really reminds you of the Dolomites in Italy. It's really, really beautiful, isn't it? Yep. So this is Lake Jezero, something like that I think. And we camped just in the car park up there, parked Tommy here, and we've hiked up here this morning to get a nice little view. And you can see in the distance there, that Sedlo Pass up there where we were yesterday with Tommy, and we hiked up in the back of those mountains up there to Bobotovkuk yesterday. It's a road blockage by some sheep.